Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to rebuild a Toyota Corolla engine. First, ensure you have all the correct tools, including a reliable torque wrench and an engine stand for stability. Next, acquire a detailed service manual specific to your Corolla model. It's crucial for accurate specifications. Finally, gather all new replacement parts like piston rings, main bearings, and a complete gasket set before you begin. This preparation saves time and prevents errors. Now, let's move on to disassembly. Begin by carefully removing all external components, then the cylinder head and oil pan. Label every part and organize them to ensure a smooth reassembly process later. Thoroughly inspect the cylinder walls for any scoring or damage, and use a bore gauge to measure wear. Also, meticulously check the crankshaft and camshaft for straightness and any signs of wear on their journals. With all parts inspected and cleaned, it's time for reassembly. Start by installing new piston rings onto the pistons, ensuring correct orientation. Carefully place new main and rod bearings, then install the crankshaft and pistons. Use fresh gaskets and seals throughout the process. Crucially, follow your service manual for all torque specifications, tightening every fastener precisely to prevent future issues. Double-check everything as you go. After the engine is fully reassembled and back in the vehicle, it's time for the final steps. Refill the engine with the correct type and amount of fresh engine oil, and top up the cooling system with new coolant. Before starting, double-check all connections and hoses. Once started, carefully monitor for any leaks or unusual noises. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your newly rebuilt engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.